So, hello everyone, my name is Evgeny, you're currently watching my channel called Race Someday. Here I'm going to build my track car or maybe even race car, and someday I will bring it to the track. So, there was 3 months of silence and actually there is no progress with Civic at all. But there is something much more important and much bigger. I'm finally moving to the new garage, and today we are going to that new place and I will show it to you. But before we will move there, let me show you my current garage. So, I got this garage like a year or two ago from my boss who previously owned it. Huge thanks to him. And because actually the plan was to use it for building the Civic, I did some cleanup, just paint the walls and the floor. So made this place a little bit more pretty. But when I started to buy tools, furniture and everything, this place became a little bit messy and there is not so much room to build a car actually. All my previous garages were mostly a same size or even smaller, but the last one where I built my Civic EF, the black one, was twice bigger, and it really makes the difference. So it makes the building of the car much more easier and much more relaxed. In that garage I had a zone for the car itself, the place for the 3D printer, the place for making carbon fiber parts, and we even had a place where we did podcasts about the motorsport with my dad and friends. It was really nice time. Hier ist Evgeny, ich miete einen Parkplatz. Ja, ich möchte sagen, dass ich werde im nächsten Monat das Vertrag nicht verlängern. Okay, vielen Dank. Ja, tschüss, schönen Abend noch. So it was really nice time. I will remember it forever. So basically the more space you have, the more things you can do there. Anyway, that's not that small garage, but in the day when I brought Civic here, I found out that the electricity was cut off. And my garage used to have it. It's not that common in Germany, because most of the garages here around, they don't have electricity, but the line of the garages behind my back, they all equipped with the electricity. So I've tried to find the way to contact the provider of the electricity. Nobody could help me with that. So unfortunately there will be no electricity here, and because of that and because of not having enough room, I've decided to continue to search a better place. So in few seconds for you and few minutes for me, you will see the new place. Here we are, my new place. It doesn't really look really pretty now. It's an old place. It wasn't used for some time. And previously it was used for animals, so they kept animals here. I'm not sure which one, but actually you can smell it here. That somebody lived here. So the total length of the garage is 10.5 meters. The length of the, I would say, car zone, the working zone, is 7.5 and 5.8 meters wide. Yeah, unfortunately there is a, I'm not sure how to call it, but like a step here. So there are two levels of the garage, but I know that I can demolish the steps and I will get 1 more meter of the length. So the total length will be 8.5 meters, which enough to keep even 2 small cars. So the plan is to work on the floor a little bit, and I can keep here all the stuff, so I will use it as a storage. And also I promised my wife that when I will have a big garage, I will move my simulator, the racing simulator, from flat here. So yeah, I have to do it. And there is also, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a corridor and the door which leads outside. And there is one more corridor, but I need to cover it and make a wall. So huge thanks to you for watching the videos. Yeah, there are already 55 subscribers, so that's not much maybe for someone. For me, it's a good number. So thank you all. Click on thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will prepare this place soon and I will move this Civic here and we will start a project.